going.
Oh, shit. Alright, that one was way
Alright, come on, hurry, let's go. Come on, hurry up.
This is much worse getting up as going down. My knees are all scraped up. Feel it.
Are you gonna do the jump? Alright, whenever you're ready. Go. That was lame.
Yep.
Here, you film me. I'm gonna go to the jump. I wish I caught that bail. That was so...
That was awesome. I got pretty fast.
Lace up! Alright, what should we do now?
I don't know.
Should we stop it?
No. We'll start off that roof.
What?
That roof.
What roof?
The roof. Over there.
What are we gonna do?
Right off of it.
What? Dude, you can do that. I'm not. And we go to the roof. And we go to the roof.
Oh shit. This is not good. Alright, I'm like so weak right now. Ow, my foot. Alright, where should we ride off? Oh, crap.
You're trying to bother us again.
Yep. No, I'm not gonna ride off that side.
Well, now what are we gonna do?
Let's go. Again.
Let's hold it.
No, we're gonna not.
Fucking hold it.
I got it.
The lack of hope in this family.
We don't want to get involved. We're good. We don't want to get in trouble like these two are going to.
So what?
What are we gonna do?
Square for the rest of your life.
Yeah. I'm a triangle. Bitch.
I chase like a triangle.
Oh.
Yep. I chase circles right now. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But I'm gonna slam right into this.
Yeah, what bad could happen? Alright, go.
Wait, I gotta find the side that I was gonna do.
Just go down here.
Fine.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Sure you wanna do this?
Yes, I wanna do it. But it's gonna be hard. What about that side?
Are you sure you wanna?
Yep. Wait, let's just take a test run.
Okay.
Oh, bad can happen.
Yeah, nothing that bad could happen. You just smack your face on the grass. The worst thing that could happen is you fall on the staircase.
Nah, that's not the worst thing. I could go over there and just smash my face out.
No, a giant missile could come in from Korea and murder you.
That too.
Right.
Fuck this, I'm not doing this.
Alright, whatever. Alright, so what are we gonna do now?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Should I just stop the video?
What else is in there? Oh. This thing weighs about 15 pounds.
How about down this hill?
Fuck that. Let's go do some off-roading.
Off-roading?
Go up these stairs.
Yeah, alright. These are bikes though. Alright, come on, hurry up. I'm gonna run out of battery.
Back hurts.
I'm gonna run out of damn battery.
Hey, watch it. Alright, video's done.
Yeah.
I'm at